Hey guys, welcome to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox down problem, saying we are aware that there's an issue with accessing Roblox. So first, all you need to do here is to clear all cache and data on your Roblox app. So go to phone settings, and from here, all you need to do is find the apps option. So tap on apps, then go to manage apps. And from here, go to search box and type right here Roblox. And here on this apps, all you need to do is tap on the storage and then tap on clear data. So you need to clear all cache and clear all data. Then once you've done clearing all cache and data, so you need to go back and tap on app permissions. And from here, you need to allow all the permissions here so you can use all the features on your Roblox application. So once you've done allowing all these permissions, you need to go to Google Play Store. So here on Play Store, all you need to do is go and search for Roblox. And then once you find that Roblox, so you can see if you find some update button, so all you need to do is tap on update. So just make sure that your Roblox is on up to date. So that's it. That's how you basically fix this Roblox down problem. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.